So here we are, first time here at Efteling.
At Efteling.
Yeah. What are you looking forward to?
I think Jack and Doris.
Jack and Doris. Look how pretty it is.
It's a wooden ride, isn't it?
It's a
Cool wooden ride. I think it might be my top one, maybe. But
we'll see.
could be Megaphobia, but maybe not.
Oh, look, it's a... There you go, little Red Riding Hood. I don't know. Baron 1884. 1898. Oh, I'm rubbish, aren't I? So here we go.
Offer him as a tour guide if you want.
We can do. Oh, it's our hotel. Whoa. That's cool, isn't it? Whoa. Oh, wow. That's better than Oblivion, isn't it? He would have been alright on that. Took my breath on the drop. Through the mist. So go back towards Max Moritz. That was good.
Hallo, Papier.
You usually want to do it and it's made you smile. Working properly. Okay. So Max and Moritz, we're on Moritz. Are we going to win? Yeah. How good was that, Jackson? How good was that? Yeah, good. Oh, a little man up there. Oh, that was awesome. That was so much fun. That was so much fun. Max and Moritz. Which one was your favourite side? Max or Moritz?
Max.
Max. Yeah. Why?
Because it was more longer.
It was a bit more meandery, wasn't it? Look at this giant guy.
Ja, is een beetje veel. Ja, maar goed, dan word je wel zo groot. Ja, 46 maak je. Oh! Ja, dat is... Nou, vergeleken met 1001 is dat echt niks.
Costa di Vera, Costa di Vera, Costa di Vera, Kia Coria, Kia Coria.
Going to go on Fata Morgana, whatever this is. We don't know what the story about this is, but I think it's something to do with that giants there. So here we go. Surprise for us as well as for you at home. I don't know what's going on, so we just decided to go on Fata Morgana. It's a boat ride, so try and give you some footage of this as it goes around. Ain't got a clue. Don't even know where we are in the park, so Yeah. There's plenty of sticks. Fatana or whatever it's called. What did you think of it?
Really good, to be honest.
What was the story? Can you remember?
It was about shit or something like
It's like an Arabian Nights thing, wasn't it?
But it was really good. You can see lots of stuff.
Yeah,
And I think
tigers.
that's really good. That's my honest opinion.
A really nice surprise. We'll get you some footage of that, but my camera doesn't pick it up in the dark. But yeah, no, really enjoyed that. Lovely surprise. Let's go get a photo. Even the ducks are nice and relaxed here.
Oh look, that's that.
There's long neck. No, not at the moment. Got some more. We got more to go around. So little nursery rhymes in a yeah, it's a little Red Riding Hood.
Zo merk als het binnenkwam. Omdat hij zo plotseling overvallen en opeten. Ze binnen door de ramen. Hij ligt de boze wolf in grootmoeders bed. En kijk eens.
Yeah, we'll get round to it, please.
Hey, Jackson, behave yourself.
What did you
Got
get?
the same one. That's earlier.
Oh, we've got Alibaba again. Excellent. Going on Symbolica. Don't really know what to expect. These two though, 20-minute queue. It's around about 12:30 now. Love the Enchanted Forest, absolutely brilliant. So yeah, I hope they give you a little bit of Symbolica. Supposedly the best dark ride in Europe, if not the world. So give you a bit of POV of that.
Where are you going? Come back!
It's a whale! Oh no! Ah, got wet.
I didn't get wet.
They got a little kiddies water park there. We're just walking down to Vogel Rok now. Give it that go, and I think the other ride's a circus ride, so we're going to go on Vogel Rok. Vogel Rok. So we just done Vogel Rok, and Jackson absolutely loved it.
No, I did not.
He didn't like the dark. Yeah, it's a good intense ride. On the back road, I reckon you get some real proper forces. Quite long trains on that. Yeah, it's just basically an indoor roller coaster. Absolutely good fun. We're going to go in Carnival Festival now. It's
Heading off again. Okay. Up to left. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
and open any door. I was worried about it snapping back on you then. Oh, so this is a Kipcorn chicken snack. Oh, is that what you wanted? And a spring roll. Meat ragu snack. Sounds different. I like the look of these things here. So we're going to sit down and give it a try. So what do you think of your Kipcorn? Yeah, no, so give it a try. Chicken nugget.
Share it? Are we there?
Right now. There's nothing, is there? Taking our bags on, mate. Take your bags on. Hey, could easily do this. They could do that so easily. This is frustrating now because this is such an easy ride to do. That is nothing. You want to do back row on that? The winner! That's all right. Wicker Man's still back. I just done Joris and Draak. What did you think?
That's another top one.
It's taken over from
Megaphobia.
Okay then, so you're going to ride it again, see what you think tomorrow?
I'm going to try the next other one.
Try the other one. His favourite one? 104. 105 is going to be Finlandia.
What's that?
That one. Yeah, we're going to do this one.
Why?
It's just a water coaster. We're going to go and do this one now. Yeah, so we're going to do this water coaster now. Oh, here we go! Oh! Oh, we gonna get wet? That was really, really good. We weren't too sure about that, were you? You're not. It's like Oktoberfest, isn't it? Yeah, go then. And we're getting some Spirillos. Spirillo. They're gold, aren't they? Going on Piranha, the rapid ride here at Efteling. Looking forward to this? You looking forward to this? No. Oh, they've stopped now. Oh, I missed you. That's cold. Got a smile for the camera.